For over half a century, the far side of the moon has remained one of the most guarded secrets of the cosmos. Shielded from the radio noise and constant gaze of Earth, this region isn't just dark, it is a silent alien wilderness that holds the geological record of the early solar system. While NASA's Apollo missions focused on the familiar near side, the Chinese National Space Administration, CNSA, has done what no one else dared. They successfully landed and operated on the lunar far side. What they found beneath the surface of the South Pole-Aitken basin has sent shockwaves through the scientific community. Massive, unexplained gravitational anomalies suggest that something enormous and metallic is buried hundreds of miles below the lunar crust, a mass 5 times larger than the Big Island of Hawaii that defies standard planetary formation theories. This isn't just about rocks and craters, it's about a geopolitical and scientific gold rush that has reignited the space race. The sudden, frantic acceleration of NASA's Artemis program and the massive funding poured into China's International Lunar Research Station, ILRS, suggest that the stakes are much higher than simple exploration. We are looking at a race for the strategic high ground. The far side offers a unique environment for deep space radio astronomy, shielded from Earth's interference, but it also contains high concentrations of helium-3, a potential fuel for future fusion reactors that could power humanity for millennia. As China prepares to deploy its 3D printing robots to build the first permanent lunar base, the world is forced to ask, what did their rovers see in that silence that made the return to the moon a matter of global survival? The International Lunar Research Station, ILRS, led by China, is not just a collection of tin cans dropped on the lunar surface, it is a masterpiece of autonomous engineering. Unlike the Apollo missions, which brought everything from Earth, the CNSA plans to live off the land using in situ resource utilization. The heart of this mission lies in the Lunar Spider robots, sophisticated 3D printing machines designed to bake lunar regolith into solid bricks using concentrated solar energy. By the early 2030s, these autonomous swarms will construct arched habitats and research labs directly into the walls of lunar craters, providing natural shielding against the lethal radiation and extreme temperature swings that define the moon's environment. This base is designed to be more than a laboratory. It is a self-sustaining ecosystem powered by a lunar energy internet. China is developing a sophisticated network of solar arrays placed on the peaks of eternal light, high-altitude rims of craters at the South Pole that receive near-constant sunlight. This power will be distributed via wireless energy transmission to shaded regions where water ice is hidden in deep, permanently shadowed craters. By extracting this ice, the ILRS will create oxygen for breathing and hydrogen for rocket fuel, effectively turning the moon into the first gas station in deep space. This infrastructure transforms the moon from a destination into a launch pad, a crucial stepping stone for the eventual human conquest of Mars. The decision to build on the far side of the moon isn't just a display of technical dominance. It's a strategic move to access the most silent place in the known universe. Because the moon's mass acts as a massive shield, blocking all electromagnetic noise and radio pollution from Earth, the far side is the only place where we can hear the faintest whispers of the early cosmos. China has already deployed low-frequency radio spectrometers on the Chang'e landers to scan the dark ages of the universe. However, independent observers have noted that some of the data being transmitted back to CNSA mission control remains highly classified. There are growing whispers in the astronomical community about localized magnetic anomalies that appear to shift and pulsate, suggesting that the moon's interior might be far more active or organized than we ever imagined. Adding to the mystery is the discovery of strange colored substances found by the U-22 rover inside fresh craters. While officially described as gel-like impact melt or volcanic glass, the visual data shows a material that reflects light in a way that doesn't match any known lunar mineral. This discovery, combined with the detection of unexpected concentrations of rare Earth elements, suggests that the far side may have been hit by objects originating outside our solar system, or perhaps something even more profound. As China prepares to send its first taikonauts to this silent frontier, the question remains: are they searching for resources to power China's future, or are they investigating a prehistoric archive left behind billions of years ago? The lunar race has officially entered a high-stakes finale that no one predicted just a year ago. While China steadily builds its International Lunar Research Station, ILRS, to dominate the far side, Elon Musk has executed a stunning strategic pivot. In February 2026, Musk announced that SpaceX is shifting its primary focus from Mars to building a self-growing city on the Moon, Moonbase Alpha. By abandoning the orbital gateway station, NASA and SpaceX are now laser-focused on establishing a permanent surface presence before China's 2030 crewed deadline. This isn't just about planting flags, it's a race to control the lunar infrastructure that will power the next century. Musk's vision of launching AI-powered satellite factories and massive data centers from the lunar surface reveals the true prize. The Moon is becoming the brain of our future planetary civilization. As the shadow of a new Cold War looms over the lunar poles, the Moon is no longer just a satellite, it is a strategic continent. With the discovery of Earth's richest helium-3 deposits and the frantic rush to secure the peaks of eternal light, humanity is transitioning from exploration to occupation. Whether it's China's methodical expansion on the silent far side or SpaceX's rapid iteration of a lunar city, the outcome remains the same. The era of Earth being our only home is over. We are witnessing the birth of a multi-planetary economy where the laws of physics, the future of AI, and the survival of nations will be decided in the gray dust of the lunar wilderness. The question is no longer if we will live on the Moon, but who will write the rules for the reality that lies beyond our world. The future is unfolding faster than we ever imagined, and here on Exoplanet X, we make sure you're never left in the dark. If you want to stay ahead of the secrets that NASA, China, and SpaceX are uncovering in the depths of space, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on all notifications. Don't forget to leave a like and share your thoughts in the comments. Do you believe we're ready to become a lunar civilization, or are we walking into a trap? Your support keeps this channel alive, and we'll see you in the next frontier.